Okay, this is the file layout. By default, this view shows the most recent models on the left and recent places or folders on the right. On the left is the list of files that you've opened lately, so you can also lock one or two or three of these to always be at the top of the list. And also we can do the same thing with most recent places. One of the most important things to do in this file layout view is to select a suitable role. So we'll click on the Roles button on the left. You can define a role for yourself, or you may have predefined roles that you can choose from, depending on your profile and rights. For example, here we've got a role called Admin that has a pretty long list of rule sets available. But let's go ahead and change that to a more specific role. So I'm going to click the Open button, choose my role, Architect, and we'll see now the available rule sets, classifications, and takeoffs for an architect. Also added some new rule set options here. You may also choose which rule sets, classifications, and selected information takeoffs are open by default by creating, by basically starring the that row. So we can add a yellow star to those, and those will open by default. You also have additional general settings, which include language, name, and position. So let's go ahead and click on the settings icon. And from here we can adjust all of these general settings, things like units. Okay, let's go ahead and go back and open the SMC building model. And as we're opening a new IFC file, this also opens all the rule sets and classifications that we've selected to open by default. Okay, and this will just load for 1 second. Once this is loaded, we can, of course, click on the checking or the information takeoff tab, and we'll see that the rule sets that are loaded and the information takeoffs that are loaded are the default choices that we've made from our role.